Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We continue with the next slides. I think I should put it my face in here. Okay, this is another project by LTL Lewis.Tsurumaki Lewis in New York, USA. Can find this from his book. Okay, featuring quite to me it's very impressive of this hybrid type of drawings, yeah, presented in the book, yeah. Like presenting it to the client, yeah, like this to the right here. I can see here that these things here is using a red color, and not too bright of yellow here, but it's really create interest to the perspective of the viewer, either in the poster or in the computer screen. But you'll be like, if you print it out and then present it to the client and right in front of the eyes of the clients, to see this kind of feature of this red color, and mixed with the human scale there, like a glimpse, like ghost image, like for the I'm not sure whether you can hear my cat's sound of that, and human figures here, yeah, and then with a certain aspect of it using rendering of the floor and the ceiling. Yeah? That's, I can see more than one or two types of presentation technique. Yeah, from the figures to this color, bright colors, rendering, and this. You don't have to render the whole thing, just render about the same tone of the very subtle tone of the ceiling and floor, for these drawings here, as well as you combine the floor plan. This is the floor plan here, a combination of the floor plan and the interior perspective of the space. Okay, like collage. Yeah, there's another words to it. Yeah, hybrid, composite, collage. Yeah, taking you to the same meaning of the hybrid concept of presentation. Using the background of the floor plans, even maybe some section later on can show it to you, or even sectional, and then combined with this square image of the interior of the space from that particular floor plan. Okay, let's move on. Okay, this is another drawing by LTL Lewis.Tsurumaki Lewis. This is very simple drawings. Looks like a hybrid of I think it's originally from a photograph or a perspective from the computerized. You can convert it into like humanized hands drawings, but the thing is a combination of like using this medium that you, I think, from different classes. This is like marker. This is like from marker, from that material, same material of the wall and the floor. Is the stone, bluish color of stones, marker, you can say it, and also the use of photographic figure of human figure there, with some the ghostly image, which is I really like, and just non-rendered landscape at the background. That's create very interesting this background here, this background, non-rendered, as well as here, and the rendering of very handmade type of drawings. Yeah? You can you can start using computer drawing and convert it into manual drawings from the software that you've been using. One thing that I always forgot to mention, that either from desktop or laptop or from your phone. Okay, from your phone. Sometimes Apple and Android, they have a good program software that you can use also from the phone to do your hybrid composite of collage drawing. Okay, let's move on. Next one here is let me move my so that I don't want to block the drawings there. Okay, so here is another one. I call it like a 1 point sectional perspective. A sectional 1 point perspective. Okay, to put it the right sentence. And interesting about this one, that you don't need to render the whole thing, but be selective on certain parts of the for example, this is mostly on the walls. You can see that this one is a green one here, the green one here, as well as the bluish columns or indication of the verticality of the space there. And then it's like orange or very light color of pastel color of vertical, and some sort of the horizontal elements of this roofing or something like that. Okay, but the most interesting is that using this black and white figure, selective rendering on the certain piece of perspective, and then it's giving the real impact. And you can have this like persons here, and then you need to find the right perspective of a human here, because it's going to look down. This is your eye level, and then this is looking up. Okay, so you need to find the right figures to see a different perspective, because it's 1 point towards the right here. Okay, all right. Okay, now let's continue. I need to move this thing off this your drawings here. You just can put it here. This is one. Okay, can I move it here, over here? Yeah, okay. So we got three perspectives here. The things that I want to show, these two here, so it is related. The interior space here. This is like actual photograph. Person walking here. Show it, and then you just put another figure here to show the scale. And also it's very simple, not too not too colorful of the rendering of the space there. Okay, let's move on. Okay, over here, same thing here. This is I like this one, 1 point perspective, which is towards this part over here. Very simple. You need to render everything at the back here, just that selective renderings, using black and white humans figure here, even having a reflective of this person here. So it's very simple. Okay, of the 1 point sectional perspective to show the interior space. Okay. Okay, this is another one here. Okay, I just want to show. Let me move my photograph here. My photo here. Just want to show you this part here as a background. Okay, as a background of just like a floor plan, very subtle. Just not too bold of the image. And then it's something like this is popping up. This is like popping up. This is the road, this is the buildings, the 3D buildings, and a perspective towards 1 point perspective towards the back. This is another good example. A combination of the hybrid composite drawings. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on. There's another one here. Okay. By LTL Lewis.Tsurumaki Lewis. A use of figures there. Give a scale to the space there. Simple drawing of the ceiling and the floor. Not to bold of the color, selective color of it. Yeah? This like a bamboo garden looks like very photographic, but turn into like drawings also. Okay, it's another one, and let me hold on. This is another one sample of LTL works. Yeah. Okay, guys, very simple. So the figure again. You need to color it, just black and white, just paste it, cut and paste it. Looks like external area there. External of it is pretty real, and also humanly rendered the landscape. But the thing is, you don't need to render the whole thing, like this one. The ceiling material here is very simple. There's a lighting feature to it. Looks like a rendering by another medium, probably this marker or something like that. Then this computerized rendering, or even some manually rendered. You can use any material: pencil color, charcoal, marker, or just black and white pencil. So anything, crayon if you want to. Okay, then you just try to add up some text here graphically, to catch the eye. This is something that I really like. Okay, and last one here, another interior perspective of, I think it's an exhibition project by Lewis.Tsurumaki Lewis. Doing the figures, simple rendering of the bricks and so on, maybe the actual photographic of the bricks. This is like Google Sketch, maybe render it, and standard rendering of the floor materials, and a good combination of hybrid composition. Okay, I think that's about it for this video. I think the second part of the video, and the last one here, I just want to show you on the LTL, Lewis.Tsurumaki and Lewis. I think they are the Lewis are the twins, I think. They've been lecturing around Harvard, MIT, Yale, Cooper Unions, and so on, and good school of architecture, Pratt maybe, in New York. This is Tsurumaki, the partner, also do the same thing, in academics, give you a lecture here and there. Paul Lewis and David Lewis and Mark Tsurumaki. I think it's quite a recent book. One of the books, Manual of Sections. You can see a technique of hybrid or composite, or the collage of different technique, as part and parcel of design technique, of the presentation technique. Okay, guys, that's about it for this first video on this electric introduction video, specifically focused on the LTL projects, New York. Something I can share with the students. Thank you very much for watching the video. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.